Hello everybody. Welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. On our YouTube channel that is LegalBee, we keep on providing various content that is very helpful for your exam preparation and also the strategic videos we keep on bringing here at LegalBee. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel LegalBee. कोई भी queries हो, you can reach out to us by any of the following modes mentioned over here. Check out our online course available on our website www.iexamb.com. We have online courses available for various competitive examinations like SEBI Grade A Legal, RBI, IBPS SO Law Officer, etc. So do check out the demos of all these courses. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB and download our app for 50% faster job preparation. Today I am going to start a new series about descriptive answer writing. There are some examinations like SEBI, RBI where you have to write descriptive answers. So how to write descriptive answers for these examinations? I am going to discuss each sample question and answer in every video of mine. So stay tuned to LegalBee and check out all the answers. आप वीडियोस के साथ जो पीपीटी है उसको डाउनलोड करके रख सकते हैं एंड इन आंसर्स को प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हैं. कोई भी क्वेरीज हो हमें आप इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में भी रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. Before we start with our series, let us have some points in our mind that we should keep in our mind whenever we write any descriptive answer. Be precise. You are having word limits for various examinations specified and it is not that easy to be very precise. So remember, whatever is the most expected thing for that particular question, that should be written first. Answer should be well structured. It should have an introduction and a conclusion, and what has been asked should be specifically there in the body of the answer. All important and key points should be covered relating to that particular question. It should not be that you are beating around the bush and not covering the important and the key areas जो उस particular question या answer के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा expected है, वो आपको cover करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Relevant sections और landmark cases को भी अगर आप include करते हैं तो it will be very very good for you that you will get very nice marks in the descriptive section. When you have to score in the descriptive section, you have to write impressively. You have to write in an impressive manner. जब भी आप कोई descriptive answer लिखते हैं तो आपको आप उस रीडर का माइंड कैच करने के लिए रेलिवेंट सेक्शंस, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स और लैंडमार्क केसेस का एक कॉम्बिनेशन बनाना होता है और वो भी एक प्रिसाइज मैनर में. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज not that difficult task that can be developed with practice and good and thorough knowledge of the subject. Language should be simple. Don't think that you can flaunt in English and you can score well in the descriptive section. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Simple, easy, understandable language होनी चाहिए. Grammatical errors नहीं होनी चाहिए. Punctuation के बारे में भी particular रहिए. अगर आप इन सब चीज़ों को cater करते हैं, definitely you will score well in the descriptive section for any competitive examination. Question number 1 that I'm going to start with in this particular video is, what is punishment and its role in society? A very very basic question from criminal law, very easy to understand and a very important topic as well. Punishments क्या होते हैं and उनका role क्या होता है society में? Now be very specific about the question. What have they asked you? Understand that first. What is a punishment? You have to define it. What is its role in the society? You have to discuss all the theoretical aspects. You have to cover the sections also, IPC, and also you should cover the new criminal laws. This is how you can write comprehensively in your answers. Introduction देना चाहिए पहले हर एक आंसर में. As I have provided here, the general meaning of punishment is inflicting pain on someone that he deserves to suffer in return of wrongdoing. In criminal law of any country, there are offences defined with punishments prescribed in accordance with the act of the offence. In India, we have Indian Penal Code, which provides for offences and punishments. Now we have separate legislations also, which provide for specific offence and punishments. For example, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, Prevention of Child Sexual Offences, POCSO. Indian Penal Code will soon be replaced with Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 on July 1. Now you can directly go to the theories of punishment. When you have to understand punishment, you should know about the theories, you should know about the meaning. Meaning we have already provided. Now theories, punishments are being given to offenders since a long period of time. In ancient times, we used to have barbarous and inhuman punishments. ये point आप add कर सकते हैं. There was a system of ordeals. एक छोटा सा background introduction कभी भी देना अच्छा होता है concept के बारे में, which is not less than a punishment used to prove the wrongdoings of an accused. Now I will give you a tip over here. जब भी आप कोई पनिशमेंट्स के बारे में लिख रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली आपको थियरीज का रेफरेंस देना और हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड देना ज़रूरी हो जाता है. इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन द टॉपिक, किस तरीके का टॉपिक है, किस तरीके का कंसेप्ट है, उसके हिसाब से आपको आपका आंसर डिफाइन करना ज़रूरी होता है. अब पनिशमेंट्स एक कम्प्लीटली थियोरटिकल क्रिमिनोलॉजी पिनोलॉजी से आने वाला सब्जेक्ट है, तो इसमें आपको सिर्फ आईपीसी बीएनएस के बारे में लिखने से नहीं चलेगा, आपको इसके बारे में बैकग्राउंड देना ज़रूरी हो जाता है. But with time, we have changed the system of punishment, considering the human rights aspect as well. What is the condition now? Mention about it. आप इस वीडियो को पॉज करके भी ये सारे आंसर को रीड कर सकते हैं, इस सैम्पल आंसर को, या फिर आप इसे डाउनलोड करके पीपीटी में से भी पढ़ के प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. दिस आई हैव रिटन अक्रॉस 250 to 300 words. There are different kinds of theories of punishment: deterrent theory, preventive theory, reformative theory, retributive theory. Now they have not asked specifically about theories of punishment, so we will not be defining all the theories, क्योंकि 250 to 300 words में हमें आंसर कंप्लीट करना है, तो हमें जहाँ पे प्रिसाइज होना है वहाँ पे हमें प्रिसाइज होना पड़ता है. In the modern times, in Indian reformative theory is the prevailing form of punishment. You can write about reformative theory, what it is. Theory, according to this theory, offender is to be treated and prisons are reformative or rehabilitative homes. Basing on these theories, we have the modern punishments covered under IPC and BNS discussed comprehensively. Section 53 of IPC deals with the different kinds of punishments as follows: death, imprisonment for life, imprisonment simple and rigorous, forfeiture of property, and fine. Now under BNS, Section 4 deals with this. And the new punishment that has been added in BNS is community service. Community service is a lighter form of punishment which is provided only in cases of petty offenses. Now this lets the examiner or the reader know that you are very much updated with the theoretical background, with the concept, with the relevant provisions, types of punishment, and also about the updated version of IPC, that is BNS, कि उसमें community service का form add हुआ है. इससे आप काफ़ी सारे एरियाज को कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली कवर कर लेते हैं. नाउ यू कैन कम टू द कंक्लूजन. पनिशमेंट्स आर अ मैंडेट इन एवरी लीगल सिस्टम एंड इनएविटेबल टू मेंटेन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इन द सोसाइटी. पनिशमेंट्स ensure that victim gets justice, crime rate decreases in society, and every criminal is saved from the disease of crime. This is how you can, on a general note, conclude your answer and comprehensively write your answers within 250 to 300 words. It depends upon the question that you have to decide what has to be included and what has not to be included. Keep preparing in this manner with us. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB. Before I leave, I would like to remind you that the elections counting is going on, and now soon when 4th June will arrive and the elections will be declared, after that definitely there will be a threshold of various vacancies, opportunities and notifications. So keep your preparation geared up in high spirits. कोई भी doubts हो, reach out to us. We are there to help you here at iExamB. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the features available with the full course access on the app as well. Thank you everybody. Have a great day.